Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, June 3rd, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. If you're a customer of mine, you would have received my monthly newsletter and portfolio yesterday on Sunday, and you know that May was just an unmitigated disaster for us. There is the old cliche about the dawn is always darkest, or the light is always darkest right before the dawn, or something like that. Uh, that might apply to our trading because the May ended terrible, but we actually saw some evidence of dawn today on our first trading day of June, and I can't help but be a little excited. You can see here with the Dow, nothing is indicated with the Dow here that should give us optimism. It was up and down, zigzagging back and forth, not doing too much, officially closing up 5 points. But we came in with only 2 positions, and one of those was JNUG, which is the gold mining bull, and we are now holding JNUG for a 4th day, which is very unusual. And so we only got out of one stock today that we were carrying, and that was OKTA, and we closed that out with negative $2,300. So officially the first day of June is another negative day for us. But the big news is we got into 9, or are holding 9 positions going into tomorrow, 6 positive, 3 negative, and we are holding positive over $20,000 in open trade equity. I haven't seen $20,000 on the ledger sheet for quite a while, and we certainly didn't see it in May. So this is very encouraging. I'll show you, this is one of our new stocks, which is SQQQ. This is ProShares. It's short the QQQ stock, okay, or ETF, or whatever you want to call it. Interesting enough, ProShares QQQ is a composite of 100 NASDAQ stocks, and that stock had its worst May since 2012. So that gives you some indication just how bad May was. But anyway, so SQQQ is a new stock for us, and we did pretty well with it today, although we're still holding it. You can see here it popped up and then kept going pretty nicely for us, and we're holding over $2,000 in open trade equity in ProShares Ultra Pro Short QQQ. And but this is our savior. This is JNUG, which is the gold mine bull, and we had bought this way back Thursday. It ran positive on Friday. It's the only thing that's doing anything for us on Friday, and then today it jumps up and just keeps moving. And so we're now going to be going into a 4th day tomorrow holding JNUG. And I checked even in the aftermarket this afternoon, gold is up a little more. So this thing uh, may not have run out of steam yet. We'll have to wait until tomorrow. But holy smokes, we're holding positive $18,300 in open trade equity in JNUG. So this is just fabulous. I want to mention something. If you're one of my customers and got my newsletter yesterday, if you can believe it, I threw JNUG out of the portfolio. We're holding it because if the buy took place before I do the portfolio revision, we keep it until it exits naturally because of the system. That's why I'm still long this, but I've made a decision. I'd have to be crazy now to throw JNUG out of the portfolio. So I'm going to keep it, and I'm going to throw out DF, which is Dean's Food, instead. And I will be sending out email showing this revision. But once again, JNUG is going to stay in the portfolio and DF is being thrown out. And the heads my bet, I'll still keep the JDST in the portfolio, which is the gold mine bear. We can play it both ways and see what happens. So, Trader Bob is happy, and so we'll just have to wait and see what happens tomorrow.